So we are going to. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install the battery. So you can see the screws here, and it's turning off, so it's good. I'm going to open it. I'm using this screwdriver right here. I'm taking out the. As I can observe here is the cost one, in a small size. So I'm choosing a small size cost screwdriver. I just insert it into it. Just before I go on, make sure that the installations and the replacement of the batteries has to be performed by elders, because sometimes with um, if it is performed by children, they doesn't know what they're doing, and they may, they have not enough knowledge about safety, and also for the small size of the battery, they may have choking hazard. So I would strongly recommend. Uh, I would say that it's a must for elders to replace the battery of the toys instead, and don't let your children to do that. Okay, so this is about safety. Yes. So the second, after I opened the battery cover here, with the screwdriver, I'm going to take a look of uh, the polarities. So the polarity is like this. This one is the positive is here, and then for this one is on the positive here, and this one is the positive. And you can observe most of the battery, most of the manufacturer have got shade and instruction inside the compartments to show which polarity is that. So I don't know whether you can see in my video, but because of the lighting concerns, but you can see here they have got battery with the shade of the battery pin on the compartment, and with the positive pole right here. So I'm going to put it in, just slightly pressing to ensure it's installed, and then another battery, just straight in, just slightly pressing, and then when you are installing the battery, make sure that you are using a gentle force. If it's not, don't force it in. If you force it in, you will break it. And also, if you require extra force to push it in, it means um, you are not installing, something is wrong, and you are not installing in a proper manner as instructed by the manufacturer. So if this is happening, you better check up with the instruction and contact the manufacturer. So here we go, and then there's a shaft right here. We put back the shaft, and then we close it in. So for the instructions, we just we don't put extra force to screw the driver. We just very gently screws it. And when you are when you are putting into closing the compartment, just make sure that you have got small fingers slightly pressing down the compartment covers to ensure that it's closed like that. So it's simple and easy. So here we go. Alright, right now we have got the battery inside already, so we check whether it works or not. So we turn on mode number 1. Just cover your wall properly. Yes. So it works. So we turn to another function. This is talking mode. So, hello, how do you do? 你好嘛？恭喜發財。So it works properly. And yeah, that's the way. So we try another function. So it's a successful installation. So this is about it, and I hope this video will be helpful for you if you have encountered battery problem with your toys and dolls. And yeah, and I probably one more thing I would like to say. If you are going to store up the toys for a long period of time and without using it, I would recommend that you better take out the battery. Because you will prevent from it to leaking the content from outside the battery. I mean, sometimes the battery will leak. And when you leak, you may damage the battery compartments, especially the metal part. So again, if you are going to store up and not for use for a long period of time, just take out the battery. Yeah. So this is about it. Well, again, I hope this video will help you to resolve the problem, and thank you for this Hello Kiki. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me at the comment sections of this YouTube video below here. And also please be welcome to visit my eBay channels called CarePeers, and there's lots of toys for you to choose from. Have a nice day. Bye bye.